okay?
Unless they're math problems.
That's right. Okay, so that was a quick refresher from yesterday. So somewhere on your page, flip it over. I want you to circle 9 and 10. 9 and 10 you're going to do by yourself. They look just like these ones, okay? So don't start doing them right now. Look at 11.
What?
Okay, so 11's, the picture looks the same, right? They look similar. But the directions and what the information that you're given is a little bit different.
There we go.
The little angle I did put it there.
So,
So you did.
what is one of our little angles?
F. Wait.
Huh? FCB, I will agree with. So I got FCB.
And C is the vertex, right?
Perfect. What's another little angle?
CDF.
CDF.
What about angle C?
CDF. Okay, and what's our big angle?
BCD.
BCD is going to be our big one. Okay, so far, these look identical, right? So we got two little angles. A little angle plus a little angle equals a big angle.
You're right. You wrote that.
Huh?
D.
What?
You wrote BCF instead of BCD.
Oh, you're right. I don't know what I was doing.
You had a Friday moment, Miss Henning. We all have those.
BCD. Thank you, Trevor. Okay, so far we got a little angle plus a little angle equals a big angle. Okay? Now, let's look at the stuff we're given, just like we normally would. So, it says find x. So, this time we're trying to find x rather than a very specific angle, okay? So, it says BCD equals 136. What is BCD?
The big angle.
It's the big angle. So, the big angle equals 136. Okay, and then it says BCF is 104 plus x. So, BCF, we're going to say 104 plus x. Okay, then it says FCD is x plus 40.
That's confusing.
What? What's 40?
Okay, so look, we got a little angle plus a little angle equals a big angle, right? And we found that this one is a little angle. Bree, look up here. This one is a little angle, and this one is a big angle, right? We got little plus little equals big. Okay, so all you guys with me there so far? Okay, our first little angle was this. It told us that, which is right here. BCF equals 104 plus x. Okay, so that's what I put in here. Little plus little equals big. Okay, my other little one, it said x plus 40. Okay, I'm just using parentheses just so you guys can see. Okay, my other little one, we can look up here and it says this other little one is x plus 40. Okay, and then we're also given from up here, and this is where kind of colored pencils are definitely going to help, is 136. So that's where we got that one, right? So I got a little plus little equals big. Right? Okay, the only difference in instructions, you're still setting it up the same. You have variables this time instead of an exact number, okay? And we still were given an exact number, 136. So now we need to combine all of our like terms together first. Okay, so how many x's do I have? 2. I got an x and an x, so that will give me 2x. Hey, what about the numbers? Are there any numbers I can combine over here? I got 104 plus x plus 40.
104 and 40?
104 and 40 I can put together. Okay, because we're going to combine like terms. So these two I'm putting together, and these two I'm putting together. So I got plus 144 equals 136.
This is a little confusing, if you don't mind me saying.
Yep. Okay, so now, same thing, we're solving for x. So how do I get x by itself?
Division, right?
So I got 2x plus 44 equals 136.
No, wait, we minus something.
Minus 144 both sides. So I have 2x equals, I don't know what that is. 136 minus 144 is -8. So I got 2x equals -8. So what's my last step gonna be?
Division.
Division, so I'm gonna divide by 2. Divide by 2. So my x equals -4.
Sorry that I kept answering all the questions.
No, you're fine. Okay, the more that you do these, the better you're gonna get. That's honestly, like, even this morning, I'll be honest, I got 14 for my answer, and I was looking at the answer key, and I'm like, how in the world did I get 14? I double checked my work 3 times, and then I had to go ask somebody else. I'm like, I don't know where I went wrong. Instead of 40, I used x plus 4 for some reason. I was having a Friday morning, I guess, at 8 o'clock, and I'm like, nothing's working right. Okay,
I've got this.
so let's look at the next one. So what's our general formula? Little plus,
Little plus little equals big.
yeah, so little plus little equals big, okay? So what is one of my little angles? Somebody. Huh? FEC? FBC. Perfect. FBC is one of my little angles. Okay, and up here, at the same time I'm coloring, okay, and at the same time you're using your colored pencils, I would probably mark it above so you know what FDC is.
Am I
Okay.
correct to assume that D is the vertex?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so that's one of my things. Okay, that's why I marked them all in red, so I know everything in red belongs to that one little angle.
Do that right.
Okay? You don't have to use colored pencils, but you totally can. Okay, what is my other little angle?
FDE.
We did that one, so look at the other side.
FCD.
Perfect, FDC. FDC. Okay, and we're gonna find that up top somewhere. No, I just did FDC. You were right, Sammy. I'm writing backwards up here. I don't know what is going on.
Somebody pinch me. Did she just say I was right?
FDE.
Or if you want to try to make it into a word, it would be FED.
Okay, I'm sorry to do this, but I gotta, I'm on proper drugs.
It's totally okay, Miss Henning. We all have those days, especially me.
EDF. So my EDF is right here. And then my other little one is gonna be FDC. FDC. Okay, and what's my big one?
EDC.
EDC, perfect. So EDC.
Did I just do that right again?
Okay, sorry if I screwed you guys up. I screwed myself up.
It's okay.
Okay, so I got little plus little equals big. Okay, I got this little one plus this little one equals this big one. What is EDF? What does it say in the problem? What are we given? EDF is x plus 81.
Oh.
Okay, so I got x plus 81 for this one. What is my FDC? X plus 59. So plus x plus 59. And what is my EDC? 138. Okay, now what do we do?
No. Yes. Yes, please. I'm sorry. Sorry, Miss Henning.
Combine your like terms. Okay, so I got x plus 81 plus x plus 59. What can I combine?
You can combine the x and x and
The x and x.
and the 81 and 59 because they're both whole numbers.
Perfect. So I got the x and x. So what is 1x plus 1x?
2x, right?
2x. And then I got an 81 plus a 59 to give me what? You guys have a calculator? I don't. What's 81 plus 59?
140.
140, somebody agree?
Yeah.
140, so plus 140. Okay, so right now, I have 2x plus 140
We're gonna have
equals
to do
138. Subtract what?
The two from both sides.
The 140, so it says 2x plus 140 equals 138, so I'm gonna minus 140 from both sides. Minus 140. Okay, the 140 is crossed out, so I got 2x equals, what's 138 minus 140?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. So now I got 2x equals negative 2.
Then we do division.
Division
And it's gonna equal negative 4. I'm positive.
divided by, so what is negative 2 divided by 2?
Negative 4.
Negative 1. Close.
Dang it.
No, it's fine. Okay, so my x equals negative 1. How are you guys doing on room on these? You running out of room? Running out of room. Okay, so I'll make next week's a lot more room.
Am I doing it right?
You guys done right or no? Okay, so let's look at 13.
What about 9 and 10?
Nope, you guys are gonna do those on your own. Okay, so we got little plus what?
Little equals big.
Little plus little equals big. Okay, Bree, what is one of the little angles? Yes, you do, Bree. Huh? B-E-D? Oh, I couldn't hear it through your little baby voice. V-U-D.
I thought you said B.
Okay, what is another little angle, Trevor? D-U-T?
I was gonna say UVD. but-
D-U-T? Okay, and Hannah, what is my big angle? V-U-T.
It's kinda like
Sammy, what is my vertex?
U.
U, perfect. Okay, so now let's look at what we're given. So VUD is, so we need to look up through our problem and see what we're given. What is VUD?
6x minus 6.
The 6x minus 6.